Loopsy fans, it's me, Amber. And me, Marina. And we're here to give out great news. Okay, so Scarlett and Sandy, our directors, were thinking of making a contest. Yep, and it's very, very simple. All you need to do is complete the sentence. And now, once you're done thinking of a sentence to complete it, you should get your Lalaloopsy, well, your favorite one, get your camera, take a video of you saying it, and you don't have to show your face, just tell us your channel name, how old you are, and your name, of course, but not your last name, it's for safety reasons. And once you're done taking the video, upload it on YouTube, and this should be the title. Don't forget to send it to us through channel comment on the Lalaloopsy Musketeers channel page. We will choose one lucky winner to think about what they want our next video to be about. Like for example, someone says, well the winner says, that she wants the plot or the story of the next video to be about a firefighter like me. And so, we'll make a video about a firefighter and the story that she chose. Then, we will choose 3 minor winners who will be the first ones to watch the video and even get a shout out. The end date of this contest is on April 14, 2012. You can upload your video sooner if you like. We hope you tell other people about our channel so that a lot of people can join and it will be so much fun. So get your camera and your favorite Lalaloopsy and start rolling!